Hey there everyone, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is something really exciting that I've been wanting to that I wanted to try this since many days, yeah, because this popped in my Instagram feed and look how beautiful it is. It is the Chanel CC makeup kit that they were promoting. I'm gonna attempt this makeup with the makeup stuff that I have here. It's all a mess. It's Target stuff, so I don't even want to show you guys what all I have, but the basic thing is the makeup consists of red lipstick, an eyeliner, and gold brown toned I don't know, stuff going on. So I'm gonna try this. Okay, I'm not good at makeup, so let's see what it turns out to be. So let's begin without further ado. What I have on my face right now is some black seed oil that I've been using for a while, and some lip balm on my lips. That's it. Next, I'm gonna use some Skin Babe. This baby is from Shein. It is a primer. I know it looks so cute. Apply that primer all over my face, just like a cream. Like I told you, I'm not a makeup guru, and this is how I work.
I don't care how makeup is actually done. This is my quick, and I'm somebody who does not love to do a full coverage makeup because I'm not good at it, and I end up looking like a panda or something very funny. So there it is.
Our little thing is done. Next is a bit of a base. I'm gonna use my Reset 3D what is this, Moisture Rejuvenate something 24-hour hydration. I love hydration, and it has SPF 15. Well, I'm not promoting this stuff, but this is what I have right now, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use it. Well, I don't like to completely hide my flaws. I don't mind it because I think it's alright. Everybody has skin issues and flaws, and it's okay to own it. A time comes in each one of our age that, you know, periods or stress and lots of things kind of mess up our skin. So just own it. You don't have to feel bad about it. And the neck, never forget the neck. If you're applying something that has SPF, take it down to your chest.
Next, I'm gonna use a bit of a concealer under my eyes because I have dark circles. Well, great. And maybe a bit around my mouth because there is a kind of a discoloration there, and I'm trying to treat it naturally, but till now nothing has worked out. But let's see, maybe I'd find something. So I'm gonna just dab that in.
I just want to dry this out a bit because going to use a bit of a powder under my eyes just to set that in. Well, I don't understand why this is called as baking. Is it because in the end you look like a baked stuff. Is that why? I know that's pretty dumb though to ask. I have wrinkles under my eyes because of my insomnia. I don't get sleep mostly, so, and the rest I'm just gonna pat it in. I'm gonna do the eyes. I think I would have to use a bit of my brush here. Okay, it's all dry. God, this is so difficult than I thought. I'm gonna start off the eyes with a bit of brown colored eyeshadow, trying to do a wing from the outside. My color palette is not very pigmented, so if you guys have a really dark brownish chocolatey color, then go with that, because it will give a really nice smoky eyes look. Okay, it's going, it's touching the brows that way. Oh my lord, I didn't know that was pink in color. I'll turn it into something brownish. God, I touched the wrong brush. No wonder I got the pink. Almighty Lord. What was I even thinking? Well, I'm going to try to attempt the same with my other eye. I'm gonna apply the same brown color, a bit more lighter than the previous color that I applied to make the wing. And I'm gonna apply that to the inner side to give it a bit of an ombre effect. Alright. I do not have the exact gold, so I have yellow. So I'm gonna just apply the yellow base at the beginning.
Just so that I could top layer the shiny orange color that I have. I don't understand how makeup artists do their own makeup. So difficult. Like, how can you work with one of your eyes closed? Like, that is so difficult. Especially all the jazzy eye makeups. I can't keep my eyes still and closed and... Oh, see? Poking myself in the eye. I'm just trying to create a nice base, but it is so difficult. Can't get it that yellow.
I'm gonna layer another set of yellow till here. Okay. I cannot do this one because I always poke myself in the eye. This is turned orange, don't you think? It's alright, forget it. Okay. Does that look anything close? No, it doesn't. Anyways, never mind. Well, I'm gonna take the same yellow color and apply it to my bottom eye line or inner line, if that makes sense. Well, I'm really bad at this. I just forget that after every time you take the pigment, you gotta dab it on the... dab off the excess. There we have it. Next thing is, I think she's wearing a really light black not an eyeliner, but before drawing the eyeliner, I'm gonna jump off to my eyebrows. First gonna brush it and then gonna fill it up with my eyebrow pencil. Gentle. Cold. Bleh. That looks funny. But next thing, mascara, which is my favorite. Well, she has applied a lot of mascara, so that is Maybelline the Colossal Go Extreme. Yeah. Oh, great. It's all clumsy, but who cares? Alright, blush that I'm gonna use. Very little of that. And for contouring, should just use it here, like that. Yeah, I'm gonna apply it right there, very gently. And my blush is from Shein. It's a liquid blush. Well, that became a bit too much. She's wearing really faint and really light blush. Powder on the two sides. Okay. I'm gonna pad that up later on. This one, maybe this one would work, but it is not. And I have this one. Maybe this and this would work. I think so. Let's try. Going on under her eyes, so I'm gonna add a bit of Chambord Smoky Eye Intense Gold. I am going to add a bit of a highlight to my nose and to the high points of my cheeks. Here, on the high notes of my cheeks. Oh, come on. God, that is a bit too much.
Maybe I could just spread it around. Oh, good Lord. I look really made up. It's alright.
Yeah, so this is the finished makeup look. What do you think? Did I nail it? I don't know, dude. Like, this is all Target stuff, and I just tried to recreate this. Recreate this look. So do I look anywhere far here? Wait, I'm gonna change up my hair and come quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and well, if you guys think I hit it even a bit, then all that I have to say is it's not about the kind of makeup brand, the kits and blah 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 that people have, but it's about you yourself. I mean, you can do anything that you want with whatever that you have and whatever that you can afford, as long as you are ready to accept it and ready to just cherish whatever that you have and create really beautiful things with the things that you already have. I hope I'm making sense. Well, I'm really not good at letting out my points. I mean, even in college or I mean, even in university or school, it was so much difficult. I wouldn't be able to put up my points or my opinions forward because I make a mess of it. So anyways, if you think that I've hit the notes, I've done some justice to the makeup with all the random makeup, really broken, damaged makeup stuff that I have. Well, I guess you did too. So thank you so much for watching. Love you, and I'd be creating more videos, not just makeup, but there are lots of things that I want to do. So be with me, like hang out. If you're alone, enjoy. Okay, bye bye. Love you so much. See you soon.